Uh-oh, we got one hit the ground. We got one fail. Hey, so now we got Nanny going next. Nanny or Nani?
Nani.
Oh. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, it was. Let's see how let's see how Ninja does in the Nighthawk.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, just take the phones from your pocket. Yeah, and make sure you transfer them over.
Alright, this is the first time this thing has been out in the dust. In the trail. Oh, let me turn the GoPro on.
Man, it wasn't on this whole time.
Yeah, it was on.
It was on. Oh, okay.
I just turned it off so I don't have a 30-minute video I gotta edit.
Hey, my balaclava ain't staying.
Oh no. You tighten the helmet?
No.
Oh, you gotta tighten that one.
I'm still trying to get this.
Got everybody out here. Look at this. A building over there. All these spectators out here watching the girls ride their bike. Look at all these people. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I can't find the. Are they both here? Yeah, one's just there. You go. Oh. It was hiding.
You ain't got glasses?
Huh?
You don't have your glasses?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
If it gets too dusty, then I'll come back and put them on.
All right. So once you do 60, it's gonna.
Rain.
When you do 60, it's gonna be dusty.
Well, you'll probably change gears, so maybe, but I didn't.
Yeah.
So in one, it's not gonna kick up any dust. Well, we'll see if I remember. It's been a minute.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
All right, so here we go. The Hawk X Pro, straight out of Amazon. The cheapest of the cheapest, but we having fun, right?
Yeah.
That's how we roll.
Y'all put it in neutral, right?
It should be, but
neutral.
well, it won't start if it's not. There you go. Oh.
Girl. Oh, I thought someone was coming. You want me to record on your phone?
Oh, she peeled out. Uh-oh, we got one hit the ground. We got one fail. Oh shit. What happened? Huh?
It's leaking gas.
Oh shit.
I did it.
Here, grab the camera. Here. Grab the camera.
Look, it's leaking a lot of gas.
How'd you fall?
Cause I hit this and my wheel slipped.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's leaking a lot of gas.
Yeah. That's okay. It's recording.
Oh shit! Hi! You guys, I tipped over. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, go get a turn over there.
Oh, I turned right here.
Woo.
It fell on my foot.
You good?
Yeah, good thing I have my Doc Martens on. Damn, I tried so hard to pick it up. it's heavy. My tire slipped.
What the heck, Daddy?
I know. It get hit this. Let me show you guys. No, oh.
Is that, did it drip on the floor?
Yeah, that's all gas.
Okay. Oh, shit.
That's why I was scared. I'm like, I'm trying to yell. I tipped over. I was turning right here, and then look, you can see my tire. You see how it slipped?
Yeah.
And then I couldn't pick it back up. It tipped over, and it landed on my foot.
Oh my god. You okay? Me has
I'm
hecho
ready to go
coger.
again. But now I can't wear my gloves because they're full of gas.
You'll be alright, it dries. Well, the GoPro got the footage because it's still recording. Alright,
This girl.
let's see if it starts.
Your father said, they were like, she fell.
Oh
my god, my boots, I can't fucking run.
I was trying so hard to yell, but I'm like, they're not gonna be able to hear me.
Were you?
A little bit. I tried like twice.
I kept looking, I'm like, se cayó.
Me has hecho correr.
You're welcome, you got your exercise.
Alright, I think it's good.
I'm not shaking.
Yeah.
Alright.
I was trying to say, I was like, I can't. Dude, you're supposed to start letting.
So turn off there.
Yeah. Wait.
Is it fine?
Oh yeah.
Okay, Natalie.
Huh?
Para TikTok.
I don't know if you can hear me because it's windy, but we're out here in the middle of nowhere riding, and I tipped over. So everyone, my family had to come running to help me because I couldn't pick it back up, and it was leaking gas.
Where is
But we're
it?
good. Yeah. Yeah, it's his.
Next time if you see your tire close to that,
I
go
know.
straight and turn around.
Yeah.
Are you looking when you're turning?
No, I forgot to look.
That's why you fell.
Alright, well let's go.
Take two.
Take two.
Okay, two. Wait, you want to document it for your phone?
I think Bob got it. What's the GoPro got it?
Nos dejaron allí en el carro, ¿verdad?
I got all the cameras on me.
There you go.
No way.
I'm looking over here, I see the helmet on the ground, like, oh shit! She fell!
That's crazy. She has more experience than me on the bike.
I know! Hey, and guess what gear it was when I picked it up? Second.
Aren't you supposed to go down to one on turn?
She should have going that slow. Or gave it more throttle.
Well, you live and you learn.
Yep. Come on, girl.
Be careful.
Poco me mato ahí. I got that. I got it.
I think I just got that on camera.
I think you did.
Hey, we got it everywhere. All right, girl, go to first before you make that slow ass turn.
Huh?
Turn in first. You're going too slow. Again. Turn the key off.
Holy cow.
Turn the key off. What happened now?
It stalled and I tipped it over.
It stalled?
It stalled and I tipped over.
Here,
Darn it.
grab the camera, I'll lift it.
How do you lift it?
You gotta grab here.
Oh wait, let me try.
In the handlebar, hold on. Oh, it's dented now.
It's okay, it's what it's made for.
Yep. Alright. Elite gas.
My thing got stuck.
It got stuck?
Yeah. And then I went, I couldn't, huh?
Put the kickstand.
It got stuck. I couldn't like switch it. And then I was like, okay, let me try to give it a little bit of gas. And then it stalled and like turned off.
Were you in?
And I wasn't,
Were you in second or first?
I was trying to go, I think, to
Down.
second.
Oh yeah.
And it like got stuck.
That's
Yeah.
why I'm stay behind. Because I said, let me see.
Yeah, third gear is too weak.
Huh?
Third gear is too weak.
I wasn't in third. I never went to third.
She wasn't second.
Yeah. And then it like wouldn't go. Like I was giving it gas.
Alright, let me give
Tú
it
lo
a try.
escuchaste, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
And it wouldn't go.
Yep.
It got stuck. And then I guess it like turned off. And I wasn't expecting it, so I tipped over.
Natalia.
It's because it got stuck.
Girl.
Let me make sure.
You made your exercise for today.
I see Papi running. I'm like, oh, she fell again. Bro, after I made the turn too, I was like, let's go, we made the turn. And then it got stuck. Like this distance there. At least I know how to break my fall now.
Yeah? That's good practice.
What'd you do? Bury someone's leg? Basically. Mommy, were you recording from the day? Let's go! Oh my god.
Yeah.
See,
Turn-
something happened.
Turn off a little bit, but coming again. So
Okay.
yeah, we have everything.
Huh?
Bro, if we went fall like this.
I think it's flooded.
What does that mean?
Mucha
Was that the
gasolina
first time?
cuando se cayó.
When it fell, like all the fuel was coming up, so. Oh, we gotta walk it. Let's walk it out, let's walk it out. Alright, we'll walk it back there and let it unflood.
What does that mean?
It means it's got too much fuel going to the carb.
That is too funny. Bro, ya mis piecitos están pelados.
Just close it
Running in this
here.
shit. Oh, yeah.
And close it.
Está feo,
Well, it's good. It's fallen twice and nothing broke. is parked. Let's see what this girl has to say. She went down twice in less than 10 minutes. So let's see. Pretty sure it's gonna be a funny reaction, but let's see. How was it?
Good. I know how to break my fall now.
Good job.
Going at low speeds. Low
See?
speeds.
You're always learning. What do you think?
It was good. I didn't fall, but now I'm scared too because I don't know how to break my fall.
So we got dust everywhere. At least nothing broke. Just a little
It's
dent.
barely even scratched. Oh, just kidding.
Oh, and that's not even a dent. That was there.
Nani, bro, Nani made us get our steps in today.
Bro,
Yeah.
we exercised today.
Heck. Oh my god.
Yeah, it just got dust everywhere. But that's not bad. So now you know.
Yeah. And I gotta keep in mind that when I fall, hit the kill switch and turn it off.
Exactly. And the fuel is gonna leak because this is like a valve.
But then I couldn't pick it up and I was like, it's leaking too much.
So now what do we gotta do?
Practice picking it
Practice
up.
picking this monster up.
Yeah.
And what you learn?
Yeah.
What are you learned today?
What did I learn? To jump off when you're falling.
Yep. Pretty much.
To look when you turn.
Oh yeah, to look when you turn.
Yep.
Watch the turn.
You're looking straight and you're trying to turn left. It ain't
Yeah,
gonna work.
yeah.
You're gonna hear it in here. I screamed at her so hard.
Well, you see, it's a lot different on the dirt than it is the road.
Yeah, because now you got like rocks and then like different dirt piles throwing you everywhere.
Yep.
Yeah.
Meanwhile on the road, it's just road.
I
Exactly.
don't know. I was in first the whole time and going slow, so.
Yeah. But it's a learning experience. I fell a whole bunch of times.
Yeah.
So that's part of riding. At least it was on the dirt, not on the road.
Although I wasn't going fast enough for it, like even road rash. Or
Yeah.
No,
anything.
but like the pavement's hot, bro. My feet are burning. I don't know what you like. My
Yeah.
feet are burning.
All right, well, we'll let it cool off a little bit and we'll call it a day. Cheers. Hello. Mama got her PT in today.
Her shoes are a different color.
Yeah.
Those are mine.
Natalia got her PT in.
She had me practicing.
It's all for a reason.
Yeah. Alrighty, y'all. We'll get back to you in a little bit.
It's hot.